Okay, so first, everyone, questions from your homework. We will do questions from your homework. Okay. So what is page number? Page number 13, right? Sam. Okay, page number 13. Everyone, questions from your homework. Okay. So page 13, right? So number one, we have to do it what? It is practice now. We have to find the values, right? Number one, it is 100. Now, what is the answer of this one? Absolute of 100, it is also 100, right? Number two, we have minus and 50. Now, minus, it is outside, right? ลบอยู่ข้างนอก ไม่ใช่อยู่ข้างใน right? It is not outside. So minus, we will keep it as it is same, right? Minus, we will keep it as it is same, and absolute of 50, it is equals to 50 only, right? So answer, it is minus 50, right? Now let's come to number 3. Number 3, it is absolute of 100 and minus 50, right? Absolute of 100 and minus 50. Now here, first absolute of 100, it is what? 100 minus, how about this one? Absolute of minus 50 is 50 only, but we have to keep it in bracket, right? Next, if we see 100 minus 50, what is the answer? It is 50, right? So this is what answer of your question number 3. Okay, right? This is what your answer of question number 3. Done, everyone? Right? Same like this, question number 4. Same like this, question number 4. Done? This one, right? Check your answers if you have not done, right? Okay. Okay. Yes, check your answers if you have not done. Next, we have question number 4. Right? Okay, now next. Question number 4, right? Question number 4, if we have minus 100 and plus 50. Now, what is absolute of minus 100? It is only 100. So we'll say 100 plus 50. And what is the answer? 150, right? Okay, so this was all about your homework. Now, everyone, can you please solve this one? We have to write the opposite numbers of all these, right? Let's say, let me give you an example. Page number 13, right? Question number 1, number 5. We have to do it now, but I'm doing an example. Now, how we have to do. We have to write opposite numbers, right? So number 5, it is minus 48, right? So when we see the opposite number, what we will do simply minus it is for the opposite number เราก็เขียนอันนี้ตามทั้งหมด right? This is our opposite number. Now, what is answer here? Minus and minus, it is plus. So it will be minus 48 and the answer it is minus 48. This is what the opposite number is, right? Now same like this. Can you do please number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6? 1 2 3 4 6ทำเอง Do it yourself please. Yes, those who are watching, you also please do this one. Question number 1, you have to solve this exercise. Okay. We have to write opposite numbers. เลขตรงข้ามเขาให้เขียนเลขตรงข้าม This one. Question number 1, they want us to write opposite numbers. เขาให้เขียนเลขตรงข้าม right? Find the opposite number. หาเลขตรงข้าม Okay, good. Okay. Very good. Right? Everyone, those who are watching, you also please do it. Question number 1. This is number 5.
เขาให้นักเรียนหาจำนวนตรงข้ามถูกไหมคะจำนวนตรงข้ามของจำนวนเป็นบวกคืออะไรคะก็คือจำนวนเต็มโต๊ะอย่างเช่น5อย่างเงี้ยจำนวนตรงข้ามของ5คืออะไรคะจำนวนตรงข้ามของ5คือลบ5จำนวนตรงข้ามของลบ10คือ10นะคะตรงข้ามบวกก็คือลบตรงข้ามลบเป็นบวกแต่ถ้าไหนที่มันผิดสแควร์รูทให้มันผิดค่าสมบูรณ์นะคะมันผิดค่าสมบูรณ์อย่างเช่นข้อที่2อย่างเงี้ยค่าสมบูรณ์ของลบ14นะคะค่าสมบูรณ์ของลบ14อันเนี้ยก็คือระยะห่างของตัวที่อยู่ในสัญลักษณ์คณิตศาสตร์เนี่ยมันคือห่างจากศูนย์ที่1ค่าสมบูรณ์ของลบ14ออกมาแล้วได้เท่าไหร่คะค่าสมบูรณ์ของลบ14เท่ากับเท่าไหร่4เลยเท่ากับ4เพราะฉะนั้นตรงข้าม14คืออะไรคะตรงข้าม14คือ
Okay, so I will write down the answers. You can come to. So what is the opposite number of 6? It is minus 6. Number 2, what is opposite of minus 14 in absolute? It is like this, right? And if we simplify, right, this question, wait, I will do it here. This portion is separate. If we simplify this one, first it is 14, right? And we have to write the opposite number, right? So opposite, it is equals to minus 14, right? Same like this, question number 3. What is answer? 72. Number 4, minus 36. Minus 36, right? So if we take out the absolute, it is 36. Minus is outside, but again the opposite will be only 36. Number 5 we have done already. Number 6, it is 0, right? So these are all answers of your questions, right? Okay. Yes, write your answers. Everyone, these are answers of your questions. Okay, done. So next, now next question number 2, right? But let me give you an example. We have to find the absolute value. Let's say we have to find, question it is like this, find absolute, find absolute value of, find absolute value of, let's say minus 24. So question number 2, it is like this. What we have to do, simply put the absolute sign, minus 24. So answer it is what? 24, right? Any question number 2, do it now please. Question number 2,ข้อ 2 1 2 3 ทำแบบนี้ you have to do like this one. Question number 2, this question please do like this. Oh, done, right? Hmm. เขาให้หา absolute ติดลบอันนี้19แล้วแล้วก็ absolute คง19ได้19ใส่สัญลักษณ์ด้วยลูกเป็นแบบนี้ okay. Right, yes, do it please. right? Question number 2, how we have to do? Question number 2, number 1, it is minus 20. So simply we have to find the absolute. So how can we do? We have to do like this, minus 20. What is absolute of minus 20? It is only 20. Okay. Question number 2. Number 2, it is 35. So absolute value of 35. What is absolute of 35? It is 35 only. Now, number 3. Question number 3, it is minus 19. Now, we have done this before. If you see the minus, it means opposite. It means opposite of this number, right? If we see this minus, it means this minus and let's say A. This one, right? It means opposite of A, right? If you see the minus, it means opposite of A. Now here, minus and minus 19. What is opposite of minus 19? Opposite of minus 19, it is 19 only. So first we have to do like this. It is only 19. Next, we have to find the absolute, right? Next, we have to find absolute. Absolute, it is what? Absolute value 19, put it in the absolute, it is equals to 19, same, right? So this is how we have to do. Question number 1, simply it is in the absolute. Number 2, put the absolute. Number 3, first we will find the opposite value, right? Because of the minus. Next, we will find absolute, right? Okay, so these are all here. Okay, right? So those who are watching live, please do this one also, because we have some homework after this one as well. Okay. Okay, right? So now let's do our last question. Done, everyone? Okay, now let's do our last question. Let's say if we have minus, example, if we have minus 8 and here we have to put an, sorry. If we have minus 8 and in the box we have to put less than or bigger than, right? Minus 8 and here in the box, here in the absolute you have minus 39, sorry, 38. Okay. Now, so this one minus 8, it is bigger or smaller? So first, how we can do? First, you just check. We know already that log 38 in absolute, it is equal to 38, right? So log 8 น้อยกว่า38อยู่แล้ว so here it is what? Smaller, right? So same like this, you have to do question number 3. ข้อ 3 ทำมันข้อนี้โอเคเดี๋ยวเช็คให้คนอื่นทำก่อน Same like this, please do question number 3. Yes, hello. So same like this, you have to do question number 3. Those who are watching, same like this. You have to do question number 3 in your book. This one, right?
นักเรียนดูคำศัพท์ที่ควรจะเขียนว่าเป็นภาษาไทยไว้เนาะตัวแรกก็คือ absolute นะคะก็จะเป็นค่าสมบูรณ์ก็เป็นภาษาไทยนะเขียนไว้ด้วย absolute นะคะมันจะเป็นค่าสมบูรณ์ตัวเนี้ยหมายถึงระยะห่างของตัวเลขตัวนั้นมันอยู่ห่างจากศูนย์กี่เท่าไหร่เพราะฉะนั้นค่าสมบูรณ์ที่หาออกมาแล้วเนี่ยมันจะเป็นนักเรียนสังเกตดูมันจะเป็นบวกเสมอนะคะอย่างเช่นค่าสมบูรณ์ของลบ38มันก็คือ38ค่าสมบูรณ์ของ38มันก็คือ38เพราะฉะนั้นถ้าเราหาค่าออกมาเนี่ยมันจะเป็นบวกตลอดนะคะแล้วก็อีกตัวหนึ่งก็คือ opposite เป็นจำนวนตรงข้ามนะคะ opposite เป็นจำนวนตรงข้ามอันนี้คือคำสำคัญที่ควรจะดูไว้เนาะ
Okay. Okay, right? So now next, I will tell you the answers. Okay, so next, answers of your question number 3. Question number 3, number 1, it is -4, and here -29. So now, -4, it is smaller or bigger? Smaller, because we know already, I will write here the reason, because we know already -29, it is equal to 29 because of absolute. So it is smaller, right? Question number 2. Absolute -11 and here -11. So absolute -11, it is smaller or bigger? Bigger, right? Because the reason is absolute of -11, it is equals to 11, right? Same like this, number 3. We have 57 and here in the absolute -75. So 57, it is bigger or smaller? Smaller, because again we know the reason is absolute of -75, it is equals to 75, right? This is the answer. Same like this, question number 4. -68 in the absolute and here -68. Now, see, this one it is what? -68, and this one it is -68. Smaller, bigger, or equal? Honey, see, if we check -68, minus it is outside, negative you hang now, minus it is outside, so it will be same, เราเปลี่ยนกันไม่ได้ so it is only -68, right? So this one ฝั่งนี้กับฝั่งนี้เท่ากับ so it is what? Equal, not bigger, not smaller, right? เท่ากับ it is equal. ข้อ C, it is equal, right? Question number 5. -9, and next we have 8. Now, this is smaller or bigger? If we see -9, right, it is smaller because minus is outside, so it is smaller. Last question, question number 6. We have -22 and minus 33. So if we take outside this one, it will be minus 22 อันนี้ได้ลบ22 and this one minus 33. So it is smaller or bigger? ลบ22กับลบ33 bigger or smaller? Smaller? Okay, let me show you here. See this question, right? It will be like this, minus 22 and minus 33. Now it is bigger or smaller? Bigger มากกว่า because ถ้าเราเห็นแบบนี้ลบ2กับลบ3ลบ2มากกว่าลบ3 right? Because in the negative, so it is what? Bigger. Minus 22 minus 22 in the absolute, it is bigger than minus 33, right? So these are all your answers, everyone. These are all your answers. Okay. Yes, check your answers, please. Done? Okay. Now you have some small homework. Question number 4, it is an intermediate level, so we will not do it now. Okay, so you have homework. This homework you have to do in your notebook, right? Hamnai Samut? Homework. Do in notebook, please. This one do in notebook. Okay. So number 1, it is find the opposite numbers of, right? You have to find the opposite numbers like tong kham. So in this you have number 1, let's say minus 44, number 2 minus 29. This one is absolute, but this one it is not, right? Number 3 minus 17. Question number 2. This one you have to do in your notebook. Ani thamnai samut, right? Question number 2, it is what? Write down absolute values write down absolute values of, you have to write down absolute values. So number 1, it is minus 19. Number 2, minus 6. And number 3, sorry, only 2 is okay. And the last question, fill the correct symbol, right? Fill the correct symbol means you have to fill less than, or you can say smaller than, bigger than, or equal, right? So number 1 here it is, we have minus 9. This is the box, you have to fill the sign, minus 34. Number 2, minus 14, minus 14. Number 3, the last one, we have minus, sorry, I will write number 3 here. I will write number 3 here better. Okay, number 3 here it is. We have minus 16. This is the box. Minus 24, right? Sorry. Minus 2 and 4. Okay, right? This is 24. 24. 24. This is question number 3. It is minus in the absolute minus 16, the box, and minus 24, right? So this is all about your homework. You can write down, or you can take a photo, or you can also watch the video later on. It is available on YouTube, right? So this is all about your homework. Everyone, do you understand? Right? Okay. So this homework and bani thamnai samut you have to do in your notebook. So those who are watching live, don't forget to send me your homework. So I'm ending this live streaming now.